This tutorial will cover how to locate scientific journal articles using general science full text. From the library's homepage, click on Science, and then choose General Science Full Text from the drop-down. To begin your research, I recommend starting off by keying in the species that you want to research. If it's more than one word, put it in quotation marks so that you will glue the phrase together. I'm going to search for octopus Maya or Maya. Click search. And I can see I only got one result, which isn't going to be enough. If you've chosen a species that you're really interested in sticking with, there are a couple of things that you can try if you get search results like this where you have 0 to 5 results, which isn't really enough to work with. We can go back up here to the top where it says choose databases, and I would add in Academic Search Premier, OmniFile Full Text Mega, and Biological and Agricultural Index Plus. These are 3 other databases that contain quite a few scientific journals. Click OK. That's going to boot you back to the main search page again. And it looks like we're still just searching one database, but if you click Search All, Show All, you'll see that we're now searching 4 different databases. Click Search, and you see we now have 38 results. Before you start going through your results, over here on the left-hand side of the screen, let's refine our results a little bit. Make sure you check scholarly journals. Okay, when we checked that, it eliminated 2 articles, so now we're down to 36. And also check on your publication date range to make sure you don't have articles that are too old. So I'm just going to leave this as is. It's 2002 to 2014. What we're looking at in our search results is your title is here in blue. Below the title is your abstract. That's what this summary is here. And you'll either have the option of link to full text through article linker or PDF full text. Link to full text through article linker doesn't guarantee that we have the article. What you want to do with those is click on it and check and see if there's a link where it says direct access to article. I'm thinking in most cases it'll probably be what you're looking at here, no article links found. However, we can still get you the article through interlibrary loan. Just fill out the ILL form and you can grab that information from right here. Now I'd wait and go through your results and see how many full text results we have before you do that, but it's something to keep in mind. Those articles can be emailed to you. As you can see, we have some full text result. Here's one. There's another down here. If you wanted to, you could check full text over here on the left-hand side and see that we have 8 full text results. We're looking for primary sources, so you want scientific studies. An easy way to identify a scientific study is just to click on the PDF full text and see if it follows the scientific method. Okay, so an article that uses the scientific method will have a section for materials and methods, results, usually lots of charts and graphs. Over here on the right-hand side of the screen, you can also grab your citation off this little yellow sheet of paper. And you all can use either APA or MLA. Okay, back to our list of results. If you still haven't had any luck locating articles on the species you've chosen, there's one other thing you could try. I'm going to go back to the main search page, and let's say we're interested in just figuring out some species that a lot of research has been done on under the genus Octopus. So I'm just going to put in octopus, and I'm going to change this to subject. What that does is it'll bring up all of the articles that have been classified as being about octopuses. So I'm going to hit search. And from this page, I'm just going to browse through and see if I see any species that are being mentioned. Okay, and I see down here Octopus vulgaris. I see it again here and right below that. So I'm thinking maybe this is a species of octopus that a lot of research has been done on. So I'm going to go back up here to the top and put Octopus vulgaris in. And I'm going to change this back to where it just says select a field optional. If you don't do that, you probably won't get any results, so make sure you go back to the default. And when we search again, you'll see we have 481 results, so many more than we had for our initial search of Octopus mea. And we can then go back through and refine to scholarly. We've got articles back to 1979, so we can move that up to like 2004, and limit to full text. And we have 77 articles to go through. If you have any questions about locating articles for your research assignment, feel free to contact the library. I'm Emily. You can contact me at emily.bush@nscc.edu, or you can call the library at 615-353-3555.